Hi everyone, and welcome back to my daily market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday 25th of November. Now let's look at cable, which continues to push higher, and we can see on the slide that it is still in this process of breaking out, looking to test the resistance overhead. And the question is, I think, how do you play this? Do you go with the breakout, or do you look to buy into weakness? I'm sort of still on the side of a little bit of caution. I think buying into the weakness is probably the better way of playing it. You can still see that it is going on a daily basis. It is having these little intraday pullbacks, and yesterday's reaction low was 32.95 area. So there is this opportunity, I think, back around 33 big figure to really still get into this chart. So I think that I've drawn in this uptrend now. Let's zoom in a little bit more of the last few weeks, this uptrend, and that comes in around the 33 big figure area. So I'd be looking at that sort of area for an intraday pullback to perhaps look for entry points for that, and that pretty much comes in around, if I get the crosshair, pretty much comes in around that old breakout level anyway. So that's a pretty decent line of support now. These two reaction highs from a couple of weeks ago coming in there as the basis of support to build from. And you're still looking to test higher. Nothing too decisive on the move higher yet, but you can see that the momentum is really positive. You've got the RSI at multi-month highs now. Let's go back one notch there, and you can see that the RSI testing in them high 60s. So there is momentum with this move. So it's looking strong, looking good for a test of 34 figure and possibly the high at 34.80. I still think you'd need to see a Brexit trade deal agreed in order to get a breakout. And you could argue, therefore, in the absence of that, maybe the sort of coming ahead of Thanksgiving, it leaves this move a little bit susceptible to some profit taking, but at the moment, certainly technicals are not suggesting that is the case, and it looks like buying into weakness, consistent positive candles on a daily basis here on the chart suggests buying into weakness remains the way to go, and testing higher. So let's look at the hourly chart. You can see that it's at the moment testing resistance areas of the last few days. This morning's reaction high 33.80, then you got the 34 big figure area of resistance from earlier this week. So I think that we are still looking to buy that weakness and use any opportunities to play the long side on cable, because it does still look positive and set up for further gains. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.